soaking up the sun in California.
It sure does hurt to see you in his arms, knowing he's enjoying all of your hidden charms. Thought it best to wait, but now I find I'm a little too late.
Guess I should have stayed in California. And what am I doing here anyway? Spending my money and wasting my time away.
My life seems so forlorn. At times I wish I'd never been born.
I should be soaking up the sun in California.
But my head was filled with some crazy notion that we could live down by the ocean. About how happy we'd be, so I came to take you back with me.
Guess I should have stayed in California. And what am I doing here anyway? Spending my money and wasting my time away.
My life seems so forlorn. At times I wish I'd never been born.
I should be soaking up the sun in California. Spending my money and wasting my time away.
My life seems so forlorn. At times I wish I'd never been born.
I should be soaking up the sun in California. I should be soaking